Imagine you are shuffling a deck of 52 cards. How many people do you think have seen the same sequence of cards before you? Probably not a single one, because there are so many different sequences. The number of pure sequences is a factor of 52. But how can you imagine that number now? Imagine that time in seconds. What do you think you could do in that time? You could stand on the equator and take a single step every 1 billion years. When you have gone around the Earth, you take a drop from the Pacific Ocean. Then you walk around the equator again. After the second round, you take another drop, and so on. When the Pacific is empty, you put a piece of paper on the ground and fill the Pacific again. Now play the same game over and over again until the pile reaches the sun. After 1,000 repetitions, only a third of the time has passed. But what about the other two-thirds? Imagine that every 1 billion years you take your deck of cards and put 5 cards on the table. Every time you get a royal flush, you buy a lottery ticket. When you hit the jackpot, you throw a single grain of sand into the Grand Canyon. When the Grand Canyon is full, you take 28 grams from Mount Everest and empty the Grand Canyon. You do this until Mount Everest is gone. Do this 256 times, and only then time has passed. That's a lot of time for us little people who couldn't even take the first step.